Sovol SV08. Yeah, it's a fast printer. Look at this moving here. No wonder they give this notice on it. Because when it first starts, the head just goes, have your hand off. This is a textured surface here, a magnetic build sort of sheet. On the other side, I don't know if it's classed as a proper build plate on the other side, but it's smooth. One day I'm going to try the other side. This side keeps apart on like glue up to now. Once it cools down, the part easily comes off. You just have to like lifting up something off your table. Initially I had a problem feeding the filament in because there was already some black filament in, presumably from a test print or something, and that I think caused me a bit of issue, but since then it's been fine. A couple of things I don't like about it: the noise of the fans, and this spool here. Look how I'm stood here. If I want to have a look how much filament's on the spool, I have to almost come right round here. That's what I'm working on now actually, is a different like spool holder to go on here. This is the filament run-out detection. It doesn't detect jams, just filament run-outs. A big printer, about the same build size as my old Creality Ender 5 Plus, but this is probably 3 times quicker, or maybe even more. I haven't done a definitive test on the speed. Yeah, I think I did the speed benchy, which is on the like USB card, and I think it took 12 minutes. That's extremely fast for what's known as a benchy. So this is just a test to see how well it's like there's almost a bayonet fitting on here at the other side that locks on, and this does have a couple of escape rod bearings inside here, so it rolls easily. But as I say, it's awkward to see how much filament's left on the spool here. Core XY. What is known as quad gantry leveling. So each corner can level for the height of the bed if it's not totally level. As a Z probe sort of offset over there, that can be, you might have to adjust it manually a bit, possibly. But listen to the noise here. And that's the noise of this fan, hot end fan. Well, I think that's a power cooling fan here. I think the hot end fan is more in the side. That's what these couple of holes vents in the side there. It might look like that step is turning really fast. Keep the filming. But you've got to remember this is a gear reduction system inside. So that slows it down but gives more torque, more turning force.